We're being taught at that school by the best of the best.
I'm so proud to be a CIA alum. And quite frankly, I don't think I would have the career I have now if it wasn't for that CIA degree in my pocket.
And so I'm grateful to the CIA for giving me my start and always giving me that integrity and that work ethic.
Over the years, I've realized, because I've done just about everything you could possibly do in the food industry, all of it is based on what I learned at the CIA.
I loved every single minute of being a student at the CIA.
So, for me, CIA is the process.
It's the reading, writing, and arithmetic to everything else I have done.
And they have so many opportunities to be anything they want to be.